Great restaurants have to be consistent. We can all cook. You know, there are a lot of great chefs out there who can do a lot of great things. But to be consistent 300 days a year, you know, lunch and dinner, over and over and over and over again, is really, for me, what defines greatness. To be there for a long time, to be impactful for a long time, to have a team that continues to evolve, to have guests that continue to come to your restaurant, to have that relationship with your partners or your suppliers. Those are really, really important things for me in a restaurant. I visited the Valley from Los Angeles. I wasn't doing anything. I was unsure of my career. I was questioning my ability as a chef. I knew I could cook. Cooking wasn't the question, but could I lead a team better? Could I interact better with those around me who influence our restaurants? The kitchen was my comfort zone, and I was very successful in the kitchen, but outside of that, I wasn't so much so. I stopped to see Jonathan Waxman, say hello, see how he was doing. And he had told me about this small restaurant in Yountville for sale called the French Laundry, and I should look into that. He thought that would be the perfect kind of place for me. Small, manageable, in a beautiful community. My mother taught me the importance of cleanliness and the work ethic. Working in front of the dishwasher, I learned organizational efficiency and critical feedback.